All right. So, like I was saying, we want to quickly look at setting up an SQL environment or framework for data analysis.
This
Are you with me now?
very good.
Okay. Now, I said before you can speak SQL or before you can use SQL to analyze data, to there is need for you to install a server and then also install a framework on the server. So what is a server? As the name implies, server, it means that it is a package, an application that will fund the framework you want to use. So the framework cannot run on its own. You cannot use an SQL emulator because the framework is also an app that will be emulating SQL. In other words, the framework is designed to understand SQL query statement. The framework enables us to write and deploy SQL query statement, just like the way Jupyter Notebook was programmed or is programmed to allow us to write and execute Python code. That is how the framework is. Now, but what we are saying is that the framework on its own cannot run until it finds a server. That server, in other words, will be providing the functionality that the framework will be using. And that is why I want to start with installing the server. Now, there are many servers that you can install, but the one that is most recommended for us is the MySQL server. MySQL server, because most websites, hosting company uses what? MySQL database. So now, to do that, you simply open a browser. So what we are going to do, because I have already installed mine, so once I'm done with the downloading steps, I believe you are joining with your laptop, so I will allow you to share your screen. Then we'll use your own system to complete the entire process because I have already set up my SQL server and the framework. Except if you have done that, then we can just paraphrase and then I'll continue. So we are going to install my SQL server. So you type my SQL server, my SQL server. So once you type my SQL server, or you can just say what? SQL server. Let's just type SQL server. So let's say you click on this, my SQL server. Think let me add so that we do not okay, so hope you are you on it also, because I want us to be doing it together. Think I
Yes, I'm following.
will, so I will ask you at some point to share your screen. Now, once you get here, you will see get started with, so there are different links where you can actually get it from, but I will advise that you get it from a reliable source. So if I go to Microsoft, I go to Microsoft, go to Microsoft. This one, I don't think this link is giving me what I wanted. My SQL. Server. My SQL server. Just want to see if I can get a better link. This one is a workbench. What I need is the server. Coming. What do you have there? Share your screen. Let me see. Because sometimes
All right. There is, when I was inquisitive, there's one I went and downloaded, which is the same thing as this my SQL
okay.
through my SQL Server Management Studio. Let me share my screen.
Square. No, 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 not that one. I'm not using that one. Not the one you're talking about.
Huh?
We are not using that one. My SQL Management Studio, right?
Yes.
No, that is not. We're using my SQL. That is a different server. Different,
Uh,
in the same family with this, but just that sometimes the syntax, there are still some little differences when you are writing the syntax. So I just want to see if I can get my SQL server is the one that I'm looking for, and I don't want it to. Just want to be sure. Okay. Hmm. My SQL server for community version, so that will not be asked to pay. Okay, yeah, this is exactly the one I'm looking for. So my SQL installer 8.0. So you can get it from dev.mysql.com. This, so you can get it from there. Now, we have these two versions here. We have these two versions so that you know which one you are to install. So there is a version you will install. Then it means that you will now install the workbench, which is going to be the framework that will provide us a development environment for writing and executing the SQL statements separately. But if you download the one that have the MSI, it will come with the total package. That is, as you are installing the server, you will be prompted an option to also add the workbench. So once that installation is completed, you automatically have the server installed and the workbench. So like I said, I have already installed it. So I would prefer that I use your screen so that we can go through it all over. If not, I will just be skipping some steps. So
okay.
ahead. So let me allow you to share. I think I've done that. Just kindly share your screen. Let's use your screen to complete the remaining steps.
Okay. So I should go and download a new one.
Yes. Now, mind you, you cannot
Okay.
install two different SQL server in one system because SQL has a default port, which is
Okay.
06. So once another package is using it, it will not allow you to register a new one. So you might need to go to your system and uninstall your system control panel and uninstall that one that you have installed before
Yeah.
this one. But let's start the downloading first before we while we are waiting for the downloading, we can go there and uninstall. So just type my SQL server. Let me see. Just type my SQL server. It doesn't bring it, just go straight to that dev.com. My SQL server. My SQL server. That is the last. Let's check the last
This
option. Yes, let's see what that one.
this one.
Yes, click on it. Let me see. Okay, so we have my SQL community server. Now we have the pro. If you use professional, you might be asked to pay. So you go, if you can maximize your screen, let's your screen. Maximize it, please. Let's see if six others will follow the same steps.
This
Is
is maximum.
your screen, can it not cover the entire screen? Is it the highest it can go?
Except I will increase
Increase it, please, because
the
others will follow. I
percentage.
don't want the letter to be too tiny for them to see since I'm not using mine. Okay, it's okay. Okay. I don't know why it's not covering the entire screen. Okay. Now let's go there. Now, just make sure that you hold on because I'm using this. I'm using your own to register the steps. They are going to follow as well. So, like I was
Okay.
explaining, we have the MySQL Server community. So, download the latest release of MySQL community server. Please visit whatever. Then we have the MySQL community server iCarve what version. So let's follow the first step. Sorry, the second step.
This
No, the second step.
this one.
Yes, let's follow that step first. Let me see what we have there. Have you clicked? Okay, I think we're on the same page now. So just accept.
Yes.
Yes, just accept cookies and then we proceed. All right. Now, this was the environment I was explaining. Let's look at the volume of each of them so that we know which one is more, contented. If you check here now, you have this one, the first one. Do you have the copy of M? Okay, we have it. The copy of MSI is taller. Now, please select that copy of M. I think, you know what? Let's go back and pick the first one. Let's go back. Just go back and pick the first one. Let me see the options. No. Back there. Good. Go back one more time. Good. Click on this one. Let me see. I want to compare the option. Okay. I think it's the same thing, right? The same option or which one is added. Go back, go back, go back. I want to be sure that now this one that says no. Go scroll down. Let me see. Okay, this is what we have here. Which one is this one? Which one, please? Which one is this one? Is it the first one or second
This
one?
is the second one.
Second one. Okay, so just click on the first option.
This one.
Yes.
I should click on the download.
Let's click on that one. Click on it.
It's downloading.
Okay. I just hope that so once the download is completed, now let's go and uninstall the other. Go and uninstall the.
That is this one, SQL Server Studio.
This particular one that you follow here is not. Let me send a link to you on WhatsApp. The page I am, which is giving me the right. Let me send it to your WhatsApp so that once you click on it, it take you directly to the page.
Okay.
Because there are some copies you will download now, you start having issue later. I think I verified this particular one. I'm trying to send it to your WhatsApp. Coming.
Have you sent it?
Yes, I have. So just load it from there. Let's see how, because there are some steps. Good, perfect. So you can see this is where your own did not take you to this environment. So from here, you select no, thanks. Just start my download. So the other option
Where
where you want to register down. No. Don't click on any of this one. You will see no, thanks. Good. Click on it. So if you have an account, you can sign in. If you want to create an account Fine. Is it downloading now?
It's downloaded already.
Okay, so now have you uninstalled? Let's quickly go and uninstall the one you installed before to avoid it occupying the port. Hope you know how to uninstall.
I'll go to
Just go to
control panel.
good quickly. All right. So look
So I
for
should install
where is the one that is the one you install, have you?
one.
SQL Server. Yes. Just make sure that you identify it and uninstall it. No, now I thought you have identified it before. MySQL servers, that is it now.
These two.
Yes, install them. Sorry, uninstall them one after the other. Is it going like this? Okay, remove. Next, next. What is it saying? There are, which one are you trying to see if you can remove the other one, the second one? Let's see. Let's see. Yes, that's very one. That's setup, the one that carries setup.
It's coming up.
Is it coming off like this? All right. Is it open? Is the program open already? Are you with me?
Let me check. I think so.
If it's open, go and close it. Maybe probably it's open somewhere. Uh-huh. So continue with the uninstall. Okay, you know what? Let's do it this way. Just close it. Let's go and try to install. Let's see whether it's overwrite it. Is it going now? because I don't know whether some things are still. Just go ahead with the installation. Let's go back to the one you downloaded. The one you downloaded now, you don't need to start the download. Go to your download. Okay. The last one you downloaded. So let's see whether it will automatically detect that one and modify it.
Okay, sir.
Mhm.
It's downloading now.
Yes, it's okay. I'm looking at it. Let's observe it.
I should click next.
All right. So once it brings you to this dialog box, this is like a wizard where uh, it has highlighted the different steps or what and what is going to install. Now we have different options here. Choose or choosing a setup. So you have to choose. Now we have to examine the advantages of each of these setup. The first one says server only. So it means that if you use this option, which has been selected as default, you will have to install the framework, which is MySQL Workbench separately. So let's go to the full option. Click on the full option, sir. Can you select the full option? Also, let's see what you see that anyone you select, we highlight.
Done already.
So now, if you look at this one you selected now, you see that what the workbench is included. Can you see it?
Yes.
It's included. So let's go with this one. Click on next so that we don't have to install server and start downloading and installing workbench separately. So let's go with this very one. So click on next. Now, this is the list of components is expected to download.
So it has come here now.
Yeah, so you click on execute. Click on execute. So once you click on execute, you will notice it will start, downloading them. After that, it will now prompt you to install them. Have you selected execute? Okay, so you just have to monitor the process. So make sure that all of them are accredited. You can see once one